Hi superstars! Today we'll be talking about how to start melon storage business in Nigeria. Egusi storage business in Nigeria. So many people know melon as egusi, and over the years so many people have been storing food products. What is food storage? Food storage is the act of buying food products in a season of abundance and selling it in a season of scarcity. During a season of abundance, food products are cheap. It is everywhere, okay? And most farmers have issues with storage. They have very limited storage capacity. Hence, lots of food products that are perishable are lost during harvest. So your ability to store these food products gives you an opportunity to make money in its season of scarcity. And you can store so many food products, mostly cereals, legumes. You can store rice, beans, guinea corn, soya beans, groundnut, melon, and so many food products. Some people even store tubers like yam. And lately, my superstars, lots of people have been making money from stored food products. This year, a custard of groundnuts has sold for as high as 6,500 naira for the first time. Lots of food products that were stored are sold at high amounts this year. Even rice that was bought at about 35,000, 40,000 naira this year is sold for as high as 70,000 naira. Okay, my superstars, how about corn? Lots of food products, soya beans, and all that. Beans, even itself, is sold at high cost this year. Lots of people are cashing out from selling stored food products. Okay, so it includes melon. Over the years, so many people have been making lots of money from selling stored melon. Okay, so let me tell you about melon storage business in this video. And in subsequent videos, we'll talk about other storage, other food products, how to store and all that. So let's get started. Okay, so in this video, I'll be telling you the different types of melon available, its characteristics, that's how you know the different types of melon available, and the states in Nigeria where you can find melon in abundance for storage. Alright, so by the end of this video, you should be able to start a melon storage business effectively in Nigeria. Okay, so first you need to know that so many states in Nigeria plant egusi. They plant egusi, but in small quantities. And we have some states in Nigeria that plant egusi commercially in large quantities. Okay, so these states are known as the major producers of egusi in Nigeria, also known as melon. Okay, so whenever you hear egusi or melon, it's the same thing. There are some key players when it comes to planting egusi and melon in Nigeria. These states are known as major producers of melon in Nigeria. So as the first type of melon we'll be talking about is Nasarawa State melon. Nasarawa State melon is light in color and has very big seeds. It has a very soft shell that enables people crack it very easily. The shell is soft and you can crack and peel it easily with your hands. This soft shell makes it loved by women who peel egusi to sell in the market. And also, it is said that it is one of the most delicious melon. Lots of people love it because they say it tastes delicious when cooked, and it has a very high market value. Nasarawa State melon has a very high market value. When stored, it is sold at a very high price. Apart from that, when peeled, it gives a lot of melon after peeled because the seeds are actually very large. Okay, so when it is peeled, it takes a larger surface area in a container. Okay, so lots of people who want to store melon tend to store Nasarawa State melon because of its unique features and all that. All right, let's go to the next one. Next is Niger State melon. Niger State melon has very tiny seeds, and the shell of Niger State melon is hard. Okay, so because the shell is hard, you may need a peeling machine to be able to peel this melon. Okay, so lots of people tend to, when they want to buy Niger State melon, they either use a peeling machine to peel it to extract the melon itself. But nevertheless, lots of people also love Niger State melon. They have their reasons. Different cultures, different states have their preferences. So if you're going into melon storage business, you need to find out the preference of your locality. You need to find out if they love Nasarawa State melon or if they love Niger State melon before storing. You need to carry out a research in your area and your locality on the type of melon they love, as this will enable you sell out after storage. If you buy what people don't love, you'll eat it yourself by superstars. So you need to find out what is unique to your locality or what is unique to your target market to enable you be able to sell out after storage. Okay, my superstars. All right. We have other melon that have their way into Nigeria. We have Cameroon melon. Okay, this melon has very, very tiny seeds, my superstars. And by the time you peel it and grate it and use it to cook, it tends to rise and rise and rise. That's the unique feature of this melon. When you cook it, it increases a lot. You tend to add, when you warm it, it thickens a lot. It thickens. Okay, so this melon also finds its way to the market most times in Nigeria when melon is scarce. So whatever type of melon you choose to store, it has a very high market value during sales, because in scarcity people tend to look for melon to cook, and melon is one of the highly consumed food ingredients in Nigeria, so it's sold no matter what. Okay, my superstars. All right, so in our next video we'll be talking about how to store melon, how to store egusi. I'll be telling you how to store it effectively to ensure that it is of good quality after storage. All right, my superstars. Okay, so if you love this kind of content, my superstars, please give me a thumbs up, like and share this video. Leave a comment in the comment section, as this will encourage me to bring more content like this. And in subsequent videos, like I said, we'll talk about other food storage products, other food you can store and how you can actually store it. Okay, my superstars, so keep a date. All right, my superstars, don't forget to like this video, and if you have not subscribed, take a second to hit that subscribe button. Okay, my superstars, till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.